Hi and welcome. It's Megan here. Welcome back to Vlogmas day 9. I think it's 9. So today I'm having just a little cozy night. I want it to be super festive since I got these new pajamas. I feel like watching Christmas movies, and I'm also going to be making soup. So I figured I'd take you along with me for my cozy night. So if you like this kind of video, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's get into it. Here is my cozy outfit. I really like these pajamas. I love the color. They're super soft. They're like that kind of, I really like them. I think they're super festive. They were super affordable from Walmart. The only thing I don't love about them is that they don't have a drawstring around the waist. But honestly, it doesn't really bother me too much. But yeah, this is the cozy night. This is the cozy look for the night. And I did go ahead and turn on my Christmas tree. Just love it. First, to make it super duper cozy, I'm gonna light a candle. I recently got this PR package. It's actually my first PR package ever. I'm super excited to show it to you guys. It is from the brand Maison Margiela. I think I said it right, hopefully. And it's their replica by the fireside scented candle, so I'm super excited. The cute candle case. And then we open it, and inside we have the actual replica candle. And these are like matches to make it super cute. So I'm super excited about this. Oh, I need to do an unboxing for Instagram. Okay, so I decided to film it right here and use my plant stand. So yeah, I'm gonna, I just feel like that the Christmas tree in the background is a cute background. So I'm just gonna do it right here. I just want you to know, I just lit this match and it scared the shit out of me, okay? Like, it just was like a fire. And then, you know, I have it sitting on a blanket because I was trying to make the background cute and I didn't really like this thing, so I covered it with a blanket. So it just felt like a whole fire hazard just now. Like, it really scared me. But it's fine, nothing caught on fire, I'm good. The candle is finally lit. It smells really good. It almost reminds me, it's like I kind of smell like wood and like fire, but then also like something sweet too. Yeah, I really like it. Smells really good. So yeah, I'm sorry, that scared me. I had a whole moment. So now, just so it's not a fire hazard for the rest of the vlog, I'm gonna move this candle over to my coffee table. Okay guys, so I'm about to make this salsa verde chicken and rice soup on Pinterest, so I'll link this down below in case you want to try it out too. But here's all of the ingredients that I have, and hopefully the recipe turns out good. I've got chicken broth, I've got white beans. I think I'm gonna use the Great Northern beans, but I also have cannellini beans. I'll just decide which one. I've got salsa verde. This is cilantro, my favorite. I also have kale, and then smoked paprika, cumin, chili powder, Himalayan pink salt, and extra virgin olive oil, some rice, and then a rotisserie chicken, and I'll just take out like the breast of the rotisserie chicken. I think in the recipe it calls for like spinach, but I really like kale as well, so I was like, I'll throw some kale in it. But this is everything, so now let's get cooking. finally done. It's finally done, so I'm about to put it in a bowl. I'm trying to decide if I want to like top it with jalapenos on top. I think I do. So yeah, just like a couple. That's what they had on like the picture. They use fresh jalapenos, but it's fine. But I'm excited to try it out. Here is the soup. I just topped it with a few jalapenos. I'm super excited about it. It smells really good. And then there's my candle up there. That also smells really good. And so now I am going to just, I guess, go through the different platforms that I have. I could do like HBO, and then I also have Hulu and Netflix to find a Christmas movie. What Christmas movie is you all's favorite? Like, what's your favorite Christmas movie? Mine is The Grinch. The one with Jim Carrey in it. I love that. I may actually go watch that. Oh, look, they got A Christmas Story on here. Oh, there it is. How the Grinch Stole Christmas. Oh, and there's Elf. Oh, I do like Elf. I kind of want to watch The Grinch. Is that the one with Jim Carrey in it? Yes. Okay, that's what I'm gonna watch. There it is. I was gonna watch something else, but I just can't resist. I'm sitting on the couch. Oh, look, the trees in the background. I didn't know if this would really work, but it's cute. Okay, I'm tasting the soup now, okay? Ooh, let's get a little chicken and ooh, some of the bean. Mmm, that's really good. I like it a lot. I love cilantro, so I put quite a bit of cilantro in it, so I really like it. And it's very hearty because of the rice and the beans in it, so I really like it. Oh my gosh, so yeah, definitely taste it, or I can't talk. Definitely try it out if you like the items in the soup, or if you're a soup person, definitely try it. This is my first time. This is actually like my first time really making soup. I don't really make soup for real, not like homemade soup. It's not really usually my thing, but honestly, I'm gonna start doing it because it's delicious. Also, the rotisserie chicken was actually regular size, and I was gonna like cut it up and use kitchen scissors, but I started just taking it apart earlier. But yeah, the rotisserie chicken was so good. So I think I'm gonna start buying those again because I really enjoyed it. It made this like so much easier. Like if I had to cook chicken separately too, it would have been too much. I'm just being honest. So now I'm gonna eat my soup, relax, watch The Grinch, and have a grand old time. Woo! Sorry. I'm just really I'm just feeling really great right now. I just finished watching The Grinch, and it was so good. It always makes me laugh. I think that's one of the reasons I like it. But I remembered I have this stuff to make hot cocoa, and I was thinking like I wanted something sweet. I don't have any like cookies and stuff, so I was like, oh, I'll just do hot chocolate because I have this stuff. So I'm gonna use some cocoa powder, this Hershey's one, some sugar, some vanilla extract, and then some milk. And I'm gonna make me, I guess this is like making homemade like hot cocoa. It is super late now. As you can see, my kitchen is a mess behind me. I just finished putting away the soup. I just put them in my fridge, and now I'm gonna clean the kitchen because it's time. It's time to clean the kitchen. So I'm about to do that now. bed now. I turned on my big lights because I felt like it was really dark in my room, and I just wanted to have like a quick chat. You know, I've showered, I've, you know, cleaned the kitchen and, you know, showered and gotten ready for bed. And so, you know, I'm ready to go to sleep. I have my little humidifier back there. I haven't been using it the last couple of nights, but I probably should because my cough is starting to come back a little bit. But anyway, I just wanted to say, since I am doing Vlogmas and today I was trying to be a little bit more festive, I did want to acknowledge that the holidays are kind of a hard time for a lot of people, even for me personally, like in my family. I feel like this is the time of year when you start to remember the people that are gone, and you know, seasonal depression happens around this time because it gets dark so early and it's cold. I mean, it's not cold in Alabama, but you know, just in general, it gets colder and it's just a different time. And I think, you know, I've had a lot of family members in the past like be sick or get sick around this time or have to go to funerals, and I just think like this is kind of a time of year to wrap yourself with love and, you know, be around the family members and friends that are still here. And I just did want to acknowledge that if you struggle during the holidays, that you're not alone, and just basically wish you the best, and I hope you have a happy holiday. I did want to acknowledge that because for me, you know, growing up, the holidays were not like the happiest time. Like my mom is not like a big person that's like all about Christmas and stuff like that. And so over the years, I've been trying to get more into it to make it more exciting, and I try to bring her into it too. But it definitely still is like a rough time, and I did want to acknowledge that since I am, you know, filming every day. I do have kind of feelings about it. And so, yeah, I just wanted to mention that. I hope I didn't put like a damper on the mood. This is supposed to be a happy, fun, festive video, but I don't know. I felt like me getting super festive almost made me feel kind of weird, because that's not like something I would normally do. I'm not like a super festive Christmas person, and that's why I think in the past I've always like struggled to do Vlogmas, because I'm not one of those people that's like obsessed with the holidays and Christmas. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that and acknowledge it and put it out there that if you struggle during the holidays, if you have a hard time, if you have seasonal depression, or if it's just a hard time for you because maybe people in your family are no longer here, or you and some of your family members are estranged, or you have to spend the holidays alone, I'm wishing you the best, and I just wanted to say that. And yeah, so on a more positive note, spend time with the family and friends that you have in your life. FaceTime, call your family and friends, you know, find things that make you happy, read a good book, you know, soak in the bath, go work out if that's what makes you happy. Just find things that make you happy and do them more during this time, and don't stress yourself out too much with the holidays and this time. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because I feel like I'm going down a weird path. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. This train literally drives me crazy every night. Honestly, it's every day. The train is all day, you guys. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.